Welcome to the Student Retention Dashboard of People Take Group. Our solution prime objective is to improve student retention rates at universities. Our solution is built by using our proprietary AI algorithm to generate real-time dashboard to make data-driven decisions and improve the student retention. Using these dashboards, you can track the individual score of every student and analyze their risk score. This will help you strategize customized solution and proper consultation support for the at-risk student. Here you can see the three major tabs: the overall retention dashboard, student summary dashboard, and prescriptive report. Let's start with overall retention dashboard. In this section, you can see all the available data facts like previous year dropout rates at percentage, current year cohort predicted dropouts, the total enrollment number of students, and the university's amount of loss to universities due to dropout. The first two blocks is actually show the tally between dropout rates between previous years and the current years. In this page, you will also see the predicted retention dashboard generate using various factors like financial aid, age, ethnicity, and the top 5 major courses. For the top 5 major courses, you can download the report and see the list of students dropping out and their results. Here you can see the two different colors. That is the green and orange. The green color is showing who didn't drop out and the orange color of students who have dropped out. On the left hand side also you can see the filters of age, gender, major courses, residency, student cohorts, and you can play with these filters to see how the information gets changed in the dashboard. Using the filters, you can deep dive to see more information for each cohort. Let's allow me to play with some of the cohort. Like I have selected the year 2015 and 16, and I have also changed the gender to male and the courses. And with each change, you can see the changes in the rate and the data. Also, in the same way, you can do for others. I change to all, and yeah, you can see the information got changed. Also, the overall predicted retention rate of cohorts you can see from this section. Here is the yearly basis percentage of retained student. Now comes to the student summary dashboard. Till now we have seen the overall dashboard which gives an overall prediction of all students, but now let's focus on learning on how to check at each student. Using this dashboard, we can track student individually and recommend custom strategies to each student. The recommendation will obviously differ from student to student. So below this section you can see there are some indicators that will help you to identify the students who are at risk. So green color is showing the low risk of dropout, orange is the medium risk of dropouts, and the red is the high risk of dropout. On the left and top you can also see students IDs. There is the IDs, and you need to select one to check the score. Suppose I selected this one to check the score. On the bottom you can also see the information related to this student ID, just like their age, their husband status, marital status, financial things, all the information is there. And this score is actually calculated based on the three available data like academic, financial, and demography. With the help of machine learning and prescriptive analytics, we will generate the custom strategies for each student using this data and provide the academic strategy, the financial strategy, and the demographic strategy. And the solution or the consultation or the recommendation, this will appear here. So this will actually improve their risk score, help you to improve the risk score. Just like I'm showing you a few example. I'm choosing one student ID from here. Yeah. So you can see the dropout risk score is very high. It's 90.3% and it's properly indicating to the red. That means high risk of dropout. And here all the information of that particular student, and you can check the information from recommendation from there. Just like you can see, student requests the counseling service for the academic, and financially it's good, there is no risk of dropout, also the student not at risk of demographically. For the detailed information you can check and click on the academic strategy. This will give you the detailed information. Just like the comments, you can see the student needs only counseling service based on his current GPA, the course is opted, grades earned and major selected. Here you can see the what are the major that person is selected and what's the code. And for more detailed information you can just download the report from here and you can suggest further recommendation based on that. For other factor it's also same, you can download and you can check the detailed information and simply download report. I'm checking with another ID, just like this. Yeah, so you can see there is a 30.1%. that means the student dropout risk score is low, it's indicating green. And here you can see the recommendation, student is academically good, no risk of dropout, financially good, no risk of dropout, and student not at risk of demographically. For the detailed info you can same way just click on this and download the report. So let's now come to the last segment, that is prescriptive report. So this is the last segment of the solution where you can download or get the report of students with their custom recommendation strategies, which makes easier for student advisors or counselor to focus on that particular student who at the risk of dropping out and keep more focus on them. So there is 3 segments: academic, financial and demographic. For each segment there is different report, and you can just click on the download button to download all the reports, and then you can analyze the things, and based on this you can recommend. And in the right hand section you can see the cumulative GPA, where we use 2 different colors to just showcase that who actually in a risk of dropout or already dropped out and who are not in a position of dropout. So hope this video and demo will give you a glimpse of solution and on our solution and how we can help universities in improving student retention rates. So book your demo now to talk to our expert for more information. Thank you.